Me say dimo bi je be dimi wa ha no sia. Ana was ma me. Hey, was sia jai. Me fa be ma che. Papa dog bi o ma me wa ha no. Ana was sa ho dey. A ho pe dog pa. Obe tuatua dog mo wa ya da. Ana mo so mo no da. Be ma no da on today. Ibini sa abaye fe Shugatiti say Shugatiti onam Ghana all join the news say yi popo dua bia e fa na ya ase e ma ne tin deda o kama mo di na tinie because all your spiritual married being billions of demons are dining with that girl. Any of the man of God over trust over challenge, you become the biggest fool. And you'll be the yawa of the day. Sana Shatawale kind of yawa of the day. Because we know the grounds and we communicate with the gods of the land and the angel. Who do you communicate with? You back to the people that God, Jesus, God don't know you. Jesus don't know you. God only know you that you are a mortal on earth. So what? But say only didn't come out there. That is fake lie. So mama come out 17 this year, my for. Come out this year. Oni pebi a wo dwale a wo di perfume egu nsuo no. You can't send God and you can't send Jesus Christ and you can't send Holy Spirit and I say Holy Ghost. All those names na munya bote. You be church mase. People are making mistake. When you bring a o bon paye papa bi ama o angel papa bi any ahonho papa bi no mase san o destiny and o abrabo ama no. You go straight to the point. Come anyame a protocol prayer. One for come anyame or gods of the land, crowd the mefama and the usuru umunyedu. Come anyame or the Lord of Karma for good shunim, the bompaye, Nesuma Karma. You can't send God and you can't send Jesus Christ. Send Amuda Mokano. So send Karma. Karma will go for you and Karma will do your work and Karma will make sure that things will fall in place for you. But Oya Bonedi or Betchuma song. On fan send this year, no, and fan also on the casa, and fan yourself, no, it means whenever you put your perfume in the water, go straight to the point. The Lord of Karma, whatever language you want to speak, say Dagatu, Senkayo, Brofo, all the languages, Karma Otinina, so we can go through your languages. But my Karma Yameno, the Lord of Karma, no, and the can also, no, no, Bonnie Dean, na says with the no, 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 friend, or no. And I only Bible didn't come out was him. So my followers around the world and in Ghana here, the nation seer, I am the seer of this century, and I am the world seer, and I am the only seer who dining with the moon and the sun, the universal seer, the only seer who knows what will happen in 72 hours. 24 hours belongs to God. The DBS don't know, the seers don't know, angels don't know, dwarfs don't know, gods of the land they don't know, demons have they don't know, only God. So respect him. Good afternoon.
Hey. Akwaba.
Me Joseph. Good afternoon. Aso one mutu sa. I don't know. Good afternoon kika ho.
Na asa.
Good afternoon kika ho. Na sika bia bobo akachi no. Enwo du. Enwo hwam. Ade papa bi esese ma good afternoon kika ho. Ye ma onye se bi Ghana konfo. Na sefo bre. Esna de bi osamanfo yale. Ye nye sa. Onipa bia odani with the gods of the land. Onipa bia oji kama edi. Onipa bia onim se sabi Karma to me the engine or your money dear. You know Benanti, I'm a year so I to ye amount. I'll come as some of cows. See, I'm out for air critics. I also won't pay me some near that day. But Omunim said, we are God favorite, and they don't know. Omunim so Yako pond a new home. Maybe engine Karma, me and I'm a doing same to ye. It is the Ripper KBR Momon come. Let them send me. Nami near Juma on opening home about Trinity. Say on any part about dining or be bony powers as so. And to good make a sa, meaning the American. And whatever I say, me say, when you challenge the word, any word from the volcano man, one God, the fire from my mouth, no, you'll be the biggest fool at the end of the day.
Amount King.
Amount King, no.
See, oh, baby, they say, oh, I say, like, I'm a later. Also, my dinner,
oh, sanity. Oh, sanity. The seer of the century, the world seer, the only seer who knows who will become the president and who will lose. The only seer who knows what will happen, what will fall on mortals, on nation, on generation. We are the best. The Muslim couple, no one. I just said, without coincidence.
Now, South Africans, you said sometimes there's darkness over their celebrities, like the celebrity industry, the movie, the music industry, and one is gone.
Yeah. Good. South African music is under attack.
Yeah.
As I said the last time, majority of the celebrity or the musicians in South Africa, majority are free soul beings. And free soul beings are beings that they don't keep long on this earth.
Okay.
Free soul beings are beings that they will make name, they will make money, they will be fame. Whatever they do, people will love, people will cherish it, but they don't live long.
So
that is free soul beings.
They just come and be famous and then go.
Because they have to be protected by their people, by their family. But nowadays, because of new world needs, people forget about the tradition. They don't want to go there again. Or they care about dining with the Bible, with the Bible. Tradition have to go on. So what I say, the same way Ghana music is under attack. Ghana musicians ain't ready. The dark is about to fall on them big time. Ghana musicians now bochinku osunsun wiase a omo kokosi omo nua baako na eya asefem. Etime de me hu ye no kama de tu dwa no se sia wey na ekoso osunsun wiase o ebe pie wo land entifa tu dwa etu ye musician na okromu ase ya na eboso ma wagidin o followers ekoye mawa bamaden the bopini any part of your family, my side, papa side, busa, and how the family was built and how the family came up, how the family was there before I what and what was added before that family became a family. You need to know all those questions. So Ghana musicians, and maybe made it two forms say, but kind of 3 times say medical, AMG medical, susu ya say a suma atonosono, a bit mark send a carrier. A bit me ending my baby on the side, and the boy no on 2 and more, but Osisina as on tea, or dear, dear, but the young was Susu, the carrier and air sinky, and I say keep for good, and at the edge, what and what benefits our music more, I also carry a sinky at this time. So medical have to wake up, medical have to be smart because the darkness, when it's fallen, no man of God or no DBA can change it. It will happen for good and forever. Even say Kofi Kinata, ya kana say 2 times say Kofi Kinata e suma e fi na busu ma da no so no e ye suma ya to ne kra say amamre bi e say koso we yi nani ato nchen e na no de all ko nanim e na all san kwan san sum no e de ne carrier a whole lot will come on Kofi Kinata bo say yes wa bonyum wa ye ho and so on say ni say de koso e ya on fa nani enhwe central region all timers musicians e dey no mu gain your music Omo tonyum bonyum tonyum ebonyum, and so at the end majority was begging for help. Eti Kofi Kinata samle oya brantie a century sia world sia e wo ho sia yetimi hu e kamane ye ho na asem abeto no Kofi Kinata on hwe ni ye na odi agro eye agro a sa star na ekita no ye sie osunsun wiase ye de shefom so ye kata so wia a very nice movie in Ghana here. So South African musicians have to be very careful. The shootings and unexpected death will keep on happening to them. We don't want it that way. But the generation have to wake up. They have to wake up and ask their mother and fathers there, baby, what is going on there? Why can't we make it? And whenever we make it to why can't money be with us for us? I didn't educate me something. People have to know because world have changed. Things have changed. The gods of the land, they will not kill you early. They will not take your life early, but they will strike you in a way you will suffer. Things will go bad that you feel like committing suicide. But we are in the year. We are so we are seeing dead.
Okay, so let's come back to our Ghana. Like, no, women all over the world, men all over the world, they are crying because I say, they put so much in their work, but they get little. The ebia bem oba ne fani ko si ewiye oba do bema ne fani ko si ewiye. What is the cause of that thing? And then e koso
guda me da no ase sa question we dey be person busa question na guda
e be me who dey come me
guda ogene wetin now
no
guda
I love my people.
You love your people? Yeah. I also love my people. I cherish Ghanaians so much.
But maybe they don't ask you, they ask me, so I need to ask you.
Okay, guda ma make us say chiro say ne family bi na ekoyi ma omo emu ade hye san kwan sika flow adwuma flow bibi ekoyi a e ma ne nya wo ya because very soon majority of the rich family will be the poverty beings and the poverty beings will become the rich beings. E ade be cause wo Ghana here.
Reverse.
Sanity here because only me be majority of the damn people omo dining sika and no omo nananom enom papanom etwa kwan bi to wonom eye amamre continuously ema wo mo amamre bia so any a century 100 years make a century obi on amamre egu o man almost be 600 years obi amamre egu o man be 800 years obi amamre egu o man be 400 years ebi dia 300 years so generation upon generation na ebe mu ni na no omo be feel good omo feel good fame everything will go on it is a 600 years and the pay na say fulfillment bi asan ko bi ma na ye twa ahomani so the upcoming generations so be bible sunim no they will come and feel the pains just like the way many people are feeling the pains today.
Serious.
Some family was so rich those days obi to say me papa na sika no wo and so ene and can we baby that and cross we baby that time changes and no and majority of Ghana for no omo di hia no if you mo busua mu
how
abusua bia wo honhom edem so when you're 20 years going now start to solve about life and now be living life on your own you will work and make money. Always remember that there is a God from your mother's side or your father's side. Any of them can hold your star. Holding your star means say yeah so when you sika obe kaye na ye ja star ni mama na ye push ye na we di ye na wo so timan abobra but your host say so star ni mu na wo ye adwuma na sika ba na wo de afeso a onya amamre January to December na correction atoma sofo tight na dem asofo so si dem asofo first fruit of them dem asofo na sofo ni didi wo ho but that man of God cannot protect you when the gods of the land strike on you. What you say? Really? It's the majority have to know that. Ask your mother. Say ebusiana betomuno. You want to know the name of the gods. Every family have gods. If your mother don't know her, there are elderly people in your family. You can cross check and ask them. Okay. Or Divya can tell you. Or Sia can tell you. It is animal way now. And then I might be before you ebre. It is a bako. Eko rere mo ko hu secret na. No ono edi. Unwe busua bia bako fo sika. Na omo maka ni na edi ya. Unhu mi da. Unwe nuafo a omo be se fa ya wo omo. Bako bo sika eso. Omo maka na edi ya. Unhu mi da. Sanity because bako etu onamo. Wa mana so anye den. Wa kwahwehwe solution. Ama ne generation. Ene ne ho na oyede otwa osankwan eko. So everybody have to know who your ba wo ton ade ye nto. Uyo ba udija sikasi wonsem uyo ba awaresem enkoso emawo even though empratwin pokotwe a won eso hebe ma dia go and check from the spiritual world. Just ask your mother or your father ebusia betom no ahohon no mo se die majority of Ghanaians ahohon to mo nkra ba mu hu unu sa ahohon to nkra
there be obedre
unu to nkra onya 20 going a obi obenya 20 going bia no obenya ska kransa odi hia obi timi nye ska kakra se ska no obenya no omo hwe se obekai wo mo a afeso a obekai wo mo a afeso no anka wo mo afeso no anka mo a na afi omo de omo toilet abi go so no masa de esum asato abrabo oni pe bia esum eda wa abrabo so no any demon can sleep with you at any time because the demons are vampires. Those demons are omo pe light mu esum no mo pe etina de saw kata woni a no abede abeda. Eti akase esum eda wo so a it's time for spiritual marriage. But as I say no, I am so cheap in the world that will be a sort of spiritual that be the cause of spiritual marriage is darkness. When you dine with the darker, you dine with the demons. Obe son daye na celebrity be no da. Obe son daye na celebrity be ahwe movies I know have sex. Obe son daye na wadanfo be onim no have sex. Obe son daye na wukunu adanfo cry no have sex. Because when it comes around they don't come with their face. They come with mortal's face. Obitimi do o mame kraba. Obitimi do papa kraba. No akotan o papa. No akotan o mame. No akotan o nua. No akotan wadanfo. It's not the demon is doing that because you are living in the dark.
Okay.
Such as here, vampires omo pe light. Light ba pe bibe to omo no mo dwane. So those say omo pe light. O hwe normal movie kwaba vampire also pe light.
Eti wo abrabo mu no.
Light ni ne daytime ni. Say daytime won tu no beda. Enti ade san o beda no no beda. So that is the dark for you. Ade san yesun. Also light what them kwaba ade san because the crowd you know accepted the darkness at that time no. The sun is gone. so we pass light 1,000 or no where be da sa light to the moon suru ma me ba ko be say sia and pay me dwale wie ana me say me twetwe mo kakra ma kwa adwuma me say di mo bi dia be di mi wa ha no sia ana me say ma me o say sia jai me fa be ma che we di mi papa dog bi o ma me wa ha no ana me say sa mo ahon pe dog pa obetu etu dog mo wa ya da ana mo so mo no da be ma no da on today ibi ni sa abaye fe Shugatiti say Shugatiti onam Ghana all join enum say eyi ponkodu bia emfa na ya ase e ma ne tideda o kama mo di na chinie because all your spiritual married being billions of demons are dining with that girl it in the private part ni there e to mi kese bi dia enti wo be ma unko di ma ni fili e na be ma so unko di e ma wonya fili wi awom sa na tie e sabe pepe na tie it you can't change that fact it is about the channel oyale no oyale enye say e hardcore oyale no oyale into your bar na say be ma no da na wo chat nka ohoma unya feeling bia oyale in the spiritual world ahohom e do ayasa donku e to chacha ye the bo adonku kwa see so up and down it's ade china be ma kra no be da you don't feel for sex Bema so you don't feel for sex. You only give in because Bema na boka wo ho. You only give in because you need money for your rent. You only give in because you want money for something. So some mana hom no mo da no. Bema no mo da omo filio. Ba sene yonko ba. E ko tafre na se a onya feeling. Na wada na rainbow family this year. Simple.
One God.
Yeah.
Pacho Zandi Camel. Na warrior mun sem as I say baby obetene bia na. Or what is going on in her life right now? Current state.
Zandi Kamel, my camas match say Abayuano. So when Yabutra, she will be one of the celebrities that will come out for beg for help.
Can't you do something about it?
She have to come forward. See ya, me kawasema. I don't need to do. I can't do anything about it because you will fear sem, fear home sem, and fear sem no. So one for my bontia, yenye be a day, and can't. And penny process one ton yaria unya no edu abayo no wan hwe ni ya migraine na be fa no e be che fever madness migraine for too much turn to madness.
Nice lady Zandi Kama asem na ye kan.
Oh eno na me catch us say abayo no on kan ware ho so tie futuo ena ka otwetwetwe ne mpna say sugar that the phobia those days no more yada wa mo sort ma feel big no omo na chance a block see kebi every baby am be
oh so a singles is here
I say omo maybe obi ho ma see there are some opportunity when you lose that opportunity it is not easy to come by that opportunity again see they say opportunity comes what
but once.
We have some people in our life when you lose them they can't be replaceable anymore but our life muno see kebi all the man just one can and you say be with Jimmy time ka say oba was spiritual marriage no twempena na wo ba na hweba ana say pedibia na see bi na fight to say you be divorce as spiritual marriage na in the spiritual world. Spiritual marriage can never be divorced on this land unless the spiritual world and no mortal not a man of God or comfort can say maybe to make good spiritual wine the way ko jale the way say na nom the way fa bo ho ban the way fa tu kom a fake lie. Only an angel or any of the gods of the land in the spiritual world that can see your husband and talk to you, or that can take that darkness from you. Now I feel no demon can come and sleep with you again. A ya ohwe movie Nigeria for movie Ghana movie. Omo ye abe for part now, any angel part now. On say empano so no so all down it be the light white be to so. On say light white no. Sad light white ni be so o to me do with ya. Sad light ni be to so. Enta dey second demon never put me ben. Oh, sad
they real.
I am rotten. Any movie, see, movies that we watch, especially Nigerian movies, majority when you watch those they are traditional movies now that speak the truth, the culture, the real culture about Africa that we have to know. So what I say, see, you this man, this producer or your producer as a movie writer, maybe Saint Obi, Bibi Obi. That man, we should movies, almost say yes.
They are real.
Oh. your friend is something Obi. I forget the other name. Honestly, your friend
Saint
Obi. But could be so honor. When you watch the movie, they bring the truth story about human life. What is going on in the spiritual world? That is what they bring out there. It's good that is serious. Me feel yagro.
Me pa cho your time ninti yen what ideas with the Hajia for real. Then maybe see you say a channel. Will she be freed like the life?
Hajia for real. Majority of the fraud boys will go down in this. Because majority of the fraud boy dining with that girl and an investigation air coso. And when the white people they are doing the investigation, they don't bring it on the media. Right now, no cases is CIA spies krumwa. American FBI go krumwa biblia. They are monitoring every movement. Abia had Jessica omonum ya monitor obia so when attacker or them say about get pam. Near bed you can't escape it.
Now Brazil flood no so almost say now more Jesus intina. Flood no, I take you over, sir.
Only baby obeka say obi moki Jesus na flood no say no say nipa no you fake liar or a man of God and he doesn't know anything. Brazil always do their traditional things all the time. Me no tell them cause say I feel we say ensuo kese beto around the world ebeku nipa send your man and from a die na say the for Ghana hakwa what did you expect? Enipa wu. Enipa bubu da bebre. It is a bit so Brazil. I can't say a word. What should say a yomo ya anything no ananyakopo. See, God don't have time for that. That is their tradition. They were born to meet that tradition. And as a media put a buy the biggest platform, the biggest cinema in the world, and can only one how Brazil for celebrate or more tradition. It's a fake lie. All those people preaching about a thing is that they know God. They should use that God to change your poor life. They should use that God to change their spiritual being's life and stop lying to Ghanaians and the world say, God is not part of it. Natural, nature.
Oh, okay. Thank you. And finally, I want you to tell me about Honorable Kennedy Ejapon Akompreko.
Akompreko Kennedy Japan. There be a person who papa in common. Akompreko Kennedy Japan, the Ghana for a month mano. Now, you da, young kind who say, ye papa. You don't know. You penasem. Ghana for na aja tumwe sunsun wiase. So we Ghana for adwini no makoma. Kama be say Japan ekita 80%.
Wow.
Kennedy ekita Ghana at heart 80%. As a ne, the bantanisha so wonders will happen and nobody can say anything. Gooda.
Tell me small.
Your blood to the heart. Gooda, your blood to the heart.
Tell me something.
Give your blood the whole like that. Now acid, I will take and give you.
No, tell me, give me the acid.
And they cook fufu. Now you want to drink soup. Relax, make her finish with time. After palming, you go enjoy the food. The biggest cinema in the world will bring this movie out. It is a nice movie for Ghanaians since 2018. And this prophecy from the gods of the land, Babontain, ya bata sabi see and there. Gods of the land will not shame the nations here, and the angels will not shame the nations here, and God himself will not shame the nations here. Not even the demons and the dwarfs, they are all in support. So Kennedy is free to go. Good Nana Yeboah. Me penasem susu wiase Nana Yeboah do okumase no kumewu star no susu wiase maka no 2 times say o tonduru ya to yare ama Nana Yeboah susu wiase enche ebe no kena to ho no mo adofo e de kakra kakoma no ofie so onye no fa tonduru se Nana Yeboah penesa de a e de besi on penesa so de a e de otu anamo na susu wiase yare no e de ma na che enya kire no to ho ye so no mu se ya e be krepo no se konson no a nice movie. Emma Kumo stars, no. It's good. Mano, final.